Okay.
Some goons or people that we can't identify actually came from nowhere and invaded our premises. They came from all directions. Actually, they didn't use the exact entrance. We have 3 entrances, as you can see, this one, that one, and the one to the back office. They entered through all the routes. Now my staff were like, who are these people?
So nikafika hapa na kulikuwa na polisi, akaniambia wewe ndio uko hapa kwa sahi, nikasema hata sikusoma, akanionyesha hivi ni court order, umeona. Sasa ile like nakuwa namuuliza mlipewa notice na mtu hapa, akaniambia usitake kujua hiyo, hii ni court order. Ndio nitaka kujiexplain, wakaanza kubeba vitu na kulikuwa na clients, wakaanza kuamsha clients kwa viti.
To make the matter worse, this was done under the supervision of the OCS and the OSPD Langata, in full police supervision. Goons have been really beating up staffs. You've seen the staff being beaten here. Ladies been thrown right, left, and center. Properties damaged and destroyed, carelessly, inhumanly.
When I was called and told that there was an activity, illegal activity going on here, I came here with a bicycle. Upon reaching, I met the OCS, the OCPD. Yeah. I met the OCS and the OCPD. Then I inquire why they are doing so, and if possibly there's a court order. So they refer me to the auctioneer, who gave me a copy. When I read the copy, it stated that the order has been given from Singizo, Eldoret Court, and the OCS Central, Eldoret Central, and Langata should enforce.